Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture series of constraint optimization problem. In today's lecture we are going to study about what quadratic programming problems are. We have already seen convex function, their properties, KKT condition, necessary and sufficient condition and other things. Okay, now what QPP or quadratic programming problems are and how we can solve this problem we will see in coming few lectures. Okay, a quadratic programming problem QPP is a spectacle class of non-linear optimization problem in which objective function is quadratic and all the constraints are linear. So if we have non-linear programming problem in which objective function is quadratic means it is of order it is of a degree 2 and all the constraints are linear. Such problems are called quadratic programming problem. Okay, so general form of QPP is minimization of fx which is equals to x transpose qx plus c transpose x subjected to ax which is less than equals to b where all the x are greater than 0. Okay, so where Q is a matrix of n into n order, it's a symmetric positive semi-definite matrix, and C and X belongs to Rn, B belongs to Rm and A belongs to A is a Aij m into n matrix. Okay, so this is the general format of quadratic programming problem. So suppose you have this example, it is a minimizing fx which is equals to 3x1 square plus 4x2 square plus 2x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2. Okay, subjected to 3x1 plus 2x2 which is less than equals to 6, x1 plus x2 less than equals to 2 and x1 and x2 are non-negative. So in this problem the objective function is quadratic because it is of degree 2 and all the involved constraints are linear. So we can say that this problem is quadratic programming problem. Now the objective fx can be written as x1 x2 3 1 1 4 x1 x2 plus minus 2 minus 3 x1 x2. Now when you multiply these three matrices you will get first three terms of this equation. Okay, and the linear part subject to whatever condition, the conditions are subject to 3 2 1 1 coefficient of x1 x2 and then x1 x2 which is less than equals to 6 and 2 and x1 x2 should be greater than equals to 0. Okay, so here if we observe this problem, so a x, or suppose this we take as x, so it is nothing else but x transpose this is if the x is x1 x2, this is x transpose, this is q, this is again x, this is ct, this is x, then this matrix is A, X, B, this is X greater than 0, this is 0 vector. Okay, so this is the same format which we discussed in last slide. Minimizing the function fx subjected to minimizing the function fx xt ax qx plus ctx subjected to ax less than equals to b and all the x greater than 0. So we can say that this problem is quadratic programming problem. Now this q which is here, you can readily see that q is 3 1 1 4. So you see that d1 principal minor of order 1 is 3, which is greater than equals to 0. Then d2 not equals to, it's greater than 0. d2 is 3 1 1 4, which is 12 minus 1, which is 11, which is greater than 0. Okay, so q is a positive definite matrix, hence it is positive semi-definite. Okay, so we can say that this example is a quadratic programming problem example. Okay, so that's you define quadratic programming problem, and how you can analyze any problem is a quadratic programming problem or not. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.